spot healing brush. First is to click on the spot healing brush tool, then make sure that it is on the content aware. Then just start brushing on the people you want to remove. Next, healing brush tool. First, click on the healing brush tool below the spot healing brush tool. Then press Alt and choose a spot you want to copy from and click on that place. Then start brushing it on the target for removal. When using the brush, you can click on the brush again and again to get a clean removal. Patch tool. Below the healing brush tool is the patch tool. Just click and draw a circle on the target for removal, then drag it left or right. Clone stamp tool. Just below the choice from before, the clone stamp tool. To use it, just press Alt, click the healing brush tool, and click on the place you want to copy from. Then, just brush it on the targets for removing. The clone stamp tool, unlike the healing brush tool, it copies whatever you select, while the healing brush tool keeps the highlights and shadows of wherever you're painting and only paints the color of your sampling area. Content Aware Fill. Now, in Content Aware Fill, first, select the lasso, then encircle the people you want to remove. Then go to Edit, then Fill, then make sure it's on Content Aware, and press OK. And it will automatically remove it for you. Just do it again and again until you're satisfied with the image.
First, drag the image to new layer, then right-click on the new copy, then click on Convert to Smart Object. Then go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, then change the blur to desired radius, then click OK. Next, click on Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Hue and Saturation. Lower the saturation. Then click on Mask, then choose Brush. Then Alt, then drag to change the size of the brush. Then just brush it on the whole image, except the sky. Next, select New Layer and change the color to match the lights on the image. You can also press I and click on the light to change the color. Then shrink the brush, then start creating dots and change the color again and again until satisfied with the result. Next, go to Adjustments and click on Curves. Then change RGB to red. Then change red to blue, then lower it, then just adjust. Next, go to File, then click on Place Embedded and choose a raining image. Then on FX, click on Blending Mode. Then change Normal to Screen. Then lower the opacity. Then click OK. Then on Adjustments, click on Levels. Then drag this.
Next, go to File and Place Embedded again. Then choose the wet glass image, then place. And make sure to cover the whole image. Then click on the check. Then on FX again. Then blending mode. Then normal to screen again. Then lower the opacity. And then on the adjustments. Then color blending. Then increase the cyan and lower the magenta a bit. Then lower the yellow to get a yellowish tint. Then lastly, adjustment again. Then color lookup. Then on 3D LUT file, change on desired tint. I'm going to choose teal orange contrast and done. Dual light mode. First, go and select gradient. Then click gradient. Move this and delete this. Next, click on color and change the color in the desired color. Mine is FF00AE. Then click OK. Then OK. And change the angle to 0. Then OK. Next, change normal to color. Then Ctrl J to create a copy. Then double click the copy gradient fill and change the angle to 180. Then click on the gradient and select this Then change the color to the desired color. Mine would be 008 for AE. Then click OK.
First, use the Quick Selection tool or Object Selection tool to select the model. Then, go to Select, and over the Select, you must press Shift and click it to access Refine Edge. On the View mode, make sure it is on Overlay. Then, just start brushing it on the edges on the image. When you are satisfied with the result, change the contrast to 10 and shift edge to 14 and check on the decontaminate colors and press OK. Next, choose solid color and put it to white and drag in below the main layer. Then, choose black and white and drag it above the main image and click on the clipping button. Next is click on the curves and clip it on the main image again. Then darken the image until you get the right contrast. Next, go to File, then place Embed, and select the second image of your choice, then click Place. Then move it to the desired place and resize it. Next is right click the second image, then click on the Create Clipping Mask. Then click on a mask and use the brush, make sure it is on black. Then start brushing on the place desired to move. Then use Ctrl T to move the second image and change the normal to lighten. Then move the second image until satisfied with the result.